The most basic watches are time only. As the name indicates, they simply tell time. And then there are watches with complications. A complication can be as straightforward as a date function or as complex as a tourbillon. And when you invest in a watch with a complication, it's important that you understand how to properly operate it to not cause damage. That way you can enjoy all the functions that your watch has to offer. To use a Quickset date function, you first want to unscrew the crown or pull it out into the first position. Next, you want to go ahead and pull the crown all the way out into the third position where the time stops. This allows us to get both of the hour and minute hand below the horizon. I recommend setting a timepiece to 6:30 just to be safe. Next, we'll return the crown to the first position, and then we can pull it out to the second position to begin to use the Quickset function. We're going to set the timepiece to the first, and as a pro tip, we'll go ahead and put the date at the 31st. I'll explain why shortly. Once we have it to the 31st, we're ready to go ahead and pull the crown back out to the third position. We've now stopped the time, and we can rotate forward and know exactly when we've made it to the first. Now we know that we're in the morning of the first. We can set the time correctly to 9 a.m., return the crown to the first position, and then lastly, screw in the crown, and you're good to go.